Okay. Next one we're going to do is a lunge. Show me how you do a lunge.
Forward, back.
Let's do a walking lunge. We'll start from here,
Okay.
and we'll walk toward the mirror. Okay. Come on back here.
Going back.
Sure. Now I want you to stop there.
Okay.
Now, if you're going forward, which leg pushes you forward?
Should be this one, right?
Okay. If you only push off that leg, where do you go?
Up.
So you had to push off the back leg to get forward.
This leg?
So if you're here, come down lower. So right now, you lean forward a little bit, but you still have quite a bit of weight on the back leg.
Okay, yeah.
So you have to push with the back leg to come forward. What we're going to do is sit your hips back and bring your chest forward. Remember the squat? Heels flat, knees and toes.
Okay.
Pull that knee out to the side. Bring your left hip forward a little bit. There you go. Now from there, bring your chest forward even a bit more. Good. I want you to do this. There. So now push off the front leg to stand up. Now the key is to be able to get over top of that leg when you go into the lunge. Because a lot of people go like this.
Okay.
And now in order to move forward, I push off the back leg. And when I push off the back leg, my glute's not active, hamstring's not active. Got lots of quad activation, which actually causes stress on the knee, on the back leg. So come on back to here.
Because every workout, my quads are always sore, never my glutes.
Yeah, so this is going to help get the glutes active more, as long as you, especially if you're bracing, because when we have the right alignment and our core is connected, and we get into that position, the glutes have to work.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Give it a go again.
Yeah. There. Much better. So you've got pretty good ankle mobility, so you can get your knee quite far forward.
Okay.
So still try and keep it somewhere over top of your foot, say the front half of the foot.
Okay.
Because you have pretty good mobility, you can go past there. It's not necessarily bad, it's just not ideally setting you up because it makes you more quad dominant, whereas if you go here, now you get the glutes more active, hamstrings, everything works together to give you a bit more power. So we'll do a different variation on the squat and to show you the versatility of it. So if you come into this position and get down there. Okay, good. So remember how we pick this leg off the ground? Good, bring it in and just tap it beside the other one. Now bring it out to the side. Good, bring it in, tap your heel forward. Bring it back in, back again. So you can go any position, any direction. So you could do side lunges, back lunges, forward lunges. The technique is identical on all of them. On the side lunge, just come into a side lunge for a second. Okay.
This leg?
Yeah, that's good, that's fine. We can make that leg work harder. So again, same alignment, and you're doing well because you want that weight over top of the outside leg. Perfect. Okay, so that's really, really done well.
Okay.
All right, and you've maintained here, you've maintained the bracing, the alignment's good, awesome. Okay, rocking it on the lunges. So those same 4 things that we did on the squat apply to lunges as well.
Okay.
Okay, next one we're gonna do is hinge.